Question 101. What role do version control systems like Git play in the academic production environment, and how have you utilized them in your previous projects? Version control systems are essential for managing changes in academic projects, allowing multiple collaborators to work simultaneously without overriding each other's contributions. In my previous role, I consistently used Git for tracking modifications in scripts and datasets. This facilitated effective collaboration, enabling team members to review code changes, merge updates, and revert to earlier versions when necessary. I also implemented branching strategies to isolate features and bug fixes, which streamlined our development process and minimized disruptions to the main codebase. Question 102. Describe how you would approach troubleshooting a failure in an academic data pipeline. What steps would you take to identify and resolve the issue? Troubleshooting a data pipeline failure requires a systematic approach. First, I would review the pipeline logs to identify error messages or points of failure. Next, I would validate the data inputs to ensure they meet expected formats and constraints. If issues are detected, I would isolate the component causing the failure, using debugging tools to analyze its behavior. After pinpointing the issue, I would implement a fix, followed by testing the pipeline with sample data to confirm it runs smoothly. Lastly, I would document the problem and solution to improve future troubleshooting efficiency. Question 103. How do you ensure data integrity and quality when working with large academic datasets? Ensuring data integrity and quality involves multiple strategies. Firstly, I implement validation checks during data ingestion to catch errors early. This includes checking for duplicates, missing values, and outliers. Additionally, I utilize automated scripts to perform regular audits on datasets, comparing them against predefined quality metrics. Furthermore, I engage stakeholders to define data quality requirements and incorporate their feedback into our processes. By combining these methods with a robust quality assurance framework, I can maintain high standards of data integrity and reliability for academic research. Question 104. Explain the importance of CCD in an academic production setting and how you have applied it in your work. CCD, or Continuous Integration and Continuous Deployment, is crucial in ensuring that academic projects are delivered reliably and efficiently. In my previous role, I implemented a CCD pipeline using Jenkins, which automated the testing and deployment of code changes. This allowed us to catch bugs early and ensure that new features did not disrupt existing functionality. By integrating automated testing, we maintained a high level of code quality while speeding up the release cycles. This practice fostered a culture of collaboration and accountability among team members, ultimately enhancing the productivity of our academic projects. Question 105. Can you discuss your experience with cloud platforms in academic data analysis? Which platforms have you used and for what purposes? I have extensive experience with cloud platforms such as AWS and Google Cloud for academic data analysis. On AWS, I utilized S3 for storing large datasets, while employing EC2 instances for running computationally intensive analyses. Additionally, I leveraged Lambda functions for serverless processing of incoming data streams. On Google Cloud, I used BigQuery for performing complex queries on large datasets, which significantly reduced processing time. These platforms provided scalability and flexibility, allowing my team to focus on analysis rather than infrastructure management, ultimately enhancing our research capabilities. Question 106. What strategies do you employ to maintain effective communication and collaboration with cross-functional teams in an academic setting? Maintaining effective communication with cross-functional teams is essential in academic production. I use a combination of regular stand-up meetings and project management tools, like Trello, to keep everyone on the same page. Additionally, I establish clear documentation practices, ensuring that all project details, data definitions, and processes are accessible to team members. I encourage open channels for feedback, allowing team members to voice concerns or suggestions. By fostering an inclusive environment and prioritizing transparency, I can ensure that all stakeholders are aligned, contributing to the success of our academic projects. Question 107. Describe a challenging project you managed as an academic production analyst. What tools and methodologies did you use to ensure its success? One challenging project involved developing a comprehensive data analysis platform for a large-scale academic study. I used agile methodologies, which allowed for iterative development and regular feedback. We utilized tools like Jupyter Notebooks for data exploration and visualization, coupled with Python libraries such as Pandas and NumPy for data manipulation. I also implemented a CI/CD pipeline to automate testing and deployment. Regular sprint reviews helped us adapt to changes in project requirements, and thorough documentation ensured that knowledge was preserved. Ultimately, the project enhanced our research capabilities and provided valuable insights. Question 108. How do you prioritize tasks when managing multiple academic projects simultaneously? Prioritizing tasks in a multi-project environment involves assessing deadlines, impact, and resource availability. I utilize a matrix approach, categorizing tasks by urgency and importance. This helps me focus on high-impact activities that align with project goals. I also maintain open communication with stakeholders to understand their priorities and expectations. Regularly reviewing progress during team meetings allows for adjustments based on evolving priorities. Additionally, I leverage project management tools to track tasks and deadlines, ensuring that I stay organized. This structured approach allows me to manage my workload effectively while meeting the needs of various projects. Question 109. What experience do you have with data visualization tools, and how do you determine the best way to present academic data? I have experience with various data visualization tools, including Tableau and Matplotlib. When determining the best way to present academic data, I consider the audience, the key insights to convey, and the complexity of the data. For example, I might use Tableau for interactive dashboards that allow stakeholders to explore data dynamically. Alternatively, I may choose Matplotlib for creating static visualizations in research papers. I prioritize clarity and simplicity in my designs, ensuring that the visuals effectively communicate the findings without overwhelming the audience. Ultimately, my goal is to enhance understanding and facilitate data-driven decision-making. Question 110. How do you handle the onboarding process for new team members in an academic production environment? I approach the onboarding process with a structured plan that includes comprehensive training and mentorship. Initially, I provide new team members with essential resources, such as documentation on our processes, tools, and project goals. I pair them with experienced colleagues for hands-on mentoring, allowing them to learn through real tasks. Regular check-ins are scheduled to address any questions or concerns they may have. Additionally, I encourage new members to participate in team meetings, fostering integration into our culture. This structured onboarding ensures that new hires are equipped to contribute effectively and feel welcomed within the team. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like SIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive. Introducing CloudRoar Cost Optimization, your unified platform for smarter cloud spending across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Cloud costs can grow silently, but CloudRoar gives you full visibility and control. Our engine continuously analyzes usage patterns, instance sizing, and idle resources to uncover hidden savings. With intelligent recommendations powered by real-time data, CloudRoar helps you right-size resources, eliminate waste, and maximize return on every dollar spent in the cloud. Get detailed reports, actionable cost insights, and automation that ensures continuous optimization without compromising performance. Optimize confidently, scale efficiently, and make every cloud dollar count with CloudRoar Cost Optimization. Efficiency meets intelligence. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like SIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive.